It's your boy Dino and that. What's up, Beginnies? It's your boy Dino with the hoodie. I got no hoodie on. Today we're gonna be doing a little something called Beginners Boxing Training Routine. I know a lot of y'all been asking me how to train or whatnot, so I'm taking the time out of my day, you know what I'm saying, to help y'all out. So basically, first thing first, you need running shoes, because you can't run in no Timberlands. Running Timberlands is gonna look stupid, and we're not in New York, obviously, we're in Florida, beautiful weather. Also, what you need, obviously, you need some gym shorts, you need some workout shoes, you need some tank top, shirt, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying. You don't necessarily need boxing gloves when you just start, right? Just get you some wraps. You don't even need wraps when you first start. What your main focus should be is footwork and fundamentals, basic fundamentals. So basically, just focus on keeping your hands up, you know what I'm saying, get your stance right. You know what I'm saying, get a little angle over there, you know what I'm saying. Yeah. How that angle look? Look good? It look good, I look good? So basically, it don't matter where you at, you know what I'm saying, I'm always on the lake, on the pond, in the middle of fucking nowhere. So you can use this as like a straight line. So go on like a sidewalk or a street walk. You can get a ladder, you can get like a long chalk and just draw it across, you know what I'm saying? But here, make sure your shoulder's in line with your knee, or with your leg I should say, and make sure your back shoulder is in line with your back hip, you know what I'm saying? Cause you can't be out of line like this, because then you're gonna get busted up, you know what I'm saying? Like how I be doing everybody in my videos. Anyway, we don't speak on that. So, as I said, shoulder width apart, keep your feet, make sure your feet not too wide, because if your feet out too wide, you're gonna do a split, you're gonna get the balls, and you're not gonna have no kids, you know what I'm saying? So make sure your feet, basically, you can squat. If you can do a basic squat like this, then you're good. Alright, and don't look like this, because you're not a running back, you're not a wide receiver, we're not playing football, we're boxing, alright? We throwing hands, we not throwing balls, you know what I'm saying? We throwing, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so keep one foot tilted a little bit this way, and the back foot flat, point it this way. Like I'm about to put my foot in your ass. So basically this foot is going in your ass, and then this foot. Anyway, so here, keep your hands by your chin. Your hands don't have to be here. Nobody fights like that. You're gonna get beat up. You fight like that. Unless you know what I'm saying, unless you me, man. It's different. But keep your hands here, and then as you throw a punch, make sure your shoulder is at your chin. Because if you throw a punch like this, somebody can just catch you and sleep. You know what I'm saying? Like how I'm sleeping everybody in my videos. Anyways, we're not gonna speak on that. So make sure when you throw a punch, your punch is here, nice and straight, nice and even. And as you throw your right hand, I'm seeing a lot of people, they be throwing the right hands, you know what I'm saying? And when they throw their right hand, they be, you know, like they ain't got no testosterone. When you throw your right hand, make sure you squat down a little bit. Get the angles. So as you throw the back foot, watch the back foot, watch the feet, watch the feet, watch the feet, watch the feet. Here and back. Here and back. And when you throw your right hand, keep the other hand by your chin. But if you throw the other hand, your hand like this, or your hand like this, or your hand like this, then you're gonna get slept. Somebody can just hit you with Hold up. So here, back. Here, that. What I want you guys to do is practice your 1-2 jab, or just jab 1-2. Alright? Don't try to do 1, 2, 3 and uppercuts and all that. That comes with more advanced people. And also, this video is not for you advanced guys. Y'all can go eat some ass. This is not for you guys. Y'all should know this already, but if you want to watch it, you know, you can still watch it. You know what I'm saying? This video is for basically you guys that are trying to learn and still learning and need help learning. Alright? So, look. As you're doing it right here, work on your footwork. So you step it. It's one motion, bro. It's not here, or it's not this here. So don't stay flat neither. Stay on the balls of your feet. The balls of your feet are in between your toes and your back foot heel. Alright? So make sure y'all on the balls of your feet. On the back foot, the front foot can stay flat a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much. But the back foot, make sure you're on the balls of your feet. Move out the way, jump around, you know what I'm saying? But if you stay flat foot, you'll get caught in your tracks. You're gonna get beat up, you'll get slept. You don't want to go to sleep. It's not bedtime yet. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright? So you here, right? So you step. 1, 2. Keep that in your head. 1, 2, 1, 2. Or step, 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 step. step. And then do it back. Do that, I say a minute, 2 minutes straight. If not, just count, do that at least 50 times. 3 sets of 50. I want you guys to mainly focus on this because this will really help. I know y'all like, what's this gonna do? It's not gonna help me fight, but it's a routine. Boxing is not, you can't play boxing. It's a sport. It comes fundamental, it comes with technique, and it's harder than it looks. Alright, so what I want y'all to do is focus on that. Do it for at least 2 minutes. Do 3 rounds in 2 minutes. Tell you that. 3 rounds in 2 minutes. Put it on your timer. Have somebody time it, or just do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Once again, you do it here. Two minutes straight, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, not 10. 2 minutes, all right? I know y'all can count. If you can't count, use your iPhone, use your Android. If you have an Android, it may not be accurate because I know Androids, they are a little off. So if you have an iPhone, that'll be much better, 2 minutes. No offense to you Android users, but you know, Apple game, we out here, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. Hello? All right. Anyway, sorry about that. As I was saying before, right? The uppercuts and the hooks and all that, I'm gonna teach you guys that later. Make sure you comment below what videos you want next. Definitely, I'm gonna keep doing these to teach you guys and work our way up. We're gonna get this little series going on how-to videos, but this mainly is for beginners, fundamentals, footwork, and basics. All right, footwork and basics. This is what I want you guys to mainly focus on. Not, you don't gotta. I don't want you guys to go ham and all that. That comes with time. All right, you're gonna get there. Just for now, just focus on the basics. All right. So as I was saying before, the step, 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 step. Make sure you're on the balls of your feet and you squat it down a little bit. Don't, like I said before, don't be straight like this because of your knees. Were you taking a picture? No, you're not taking no damn picture. You're training. All right, so bend your knees a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Make sure your abs got a little plump to it. You know what I'm saying? See here. Straight. And also, I forgot to mention. One hand is in front of the other. Your hands aren't like this. It's like this. Boom, 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 cat, flip, uppercut. You know what I'm saying? You can roll, stop. But we're going to teach that later, but as for right now, I want you guys to focus on footwork, fundamentals, and basics. All right? Footwork, fundamentals, and basics is what I want you guys to mainly focus on. All right? Another thing, make sure you guys have some comfortable shoes. Please don't wear no shoes that... Just basically make sure the shoe is flexible enough to do this. If the shoe can't do this, then you shouldn't be wearing it while you train because you can hurt your foot, possibly hurt your ankle. You don't want to hurt your tendons and your muscles, guys. Trust me, you don't, especially at a young age. But I want you guys to do this 2 to 3 times a day, at least 3 rounds, 2 minutes, all right? At least 2 to 3 times a day. Focus on this for about a week. After a week, I'll have another video posted up for you guys on what you want next. But like I said, make sure you comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All these views y'all giving me, man, 200,000, 45,000, almost at 1 million views altogether. I appreciate you guys for the love. Got new merch coming out. Got some new merch coming out, you know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all, this merch, if you like this merch, you know what I'm saying, get up, make it happen, a little motivation for you guys. If you want this merch, you know what I'm saying, link gonna be in the bio, link gonna be in the description. Make sure you go subscribe and you go, you know what I'm saying, you go, you copy some merch. 40% off, you don't wanna miss it, you know what I'm saying? You go to Ross, they got what, 25% off on clearance? You go to Walmart, what they got, 15%? Man, I got 40%, bro. Ain't nobody talking that, bro. Come on, that's like going to the outlets, you know what I'm saying? 40% off, make sure you go get your merch, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing with me. To any of you businesses out there watching my videos, I am looking for, I'd say, a coach in the gym, and I am looking for sponsors as well. Not necessarily looking for sponsors, but DM me on Instagram at Dean the Great. I will not see it in the comments below. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, like it up, touch the subscribe button with your nose, your ear, your nose, your tongue, your lip, whatever it is. Do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? And I'm out this thing. You're